Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Let me ask you, I have my opinion, but I want to ask you, why do you feel that the younger people today are turning more and more toward the Eastern-oriented religions?
Because you have failed to give them satisfaction.
You what?
You have failed to give them satisfaction. Your this materialistic way of life will no more satisfy them. There is a stage. In the beginning, when one is poverty-stricken, he may think that money and woman and good apartment, good car can give me satisfaction thereafter this. But after enjoyment they see there is no satisfaction because matter cannot satisfy. So your stage is, in America especially, you have got enough for enjoyment. You have got enough food, you have got enough woman, you have got enough wine, you have got enough house, everything enough. This shows that material advancement cannot give one satisfaction. The confusion, dissatisfaction is more in your country than in India, which is said to be poverty-stricken. You see? But you will find in India still, although they are poverty-stricken, because they are continuing that old culture, they are not disturbed. Yes. They are dying inch by inch, but still they are satisfied. All right. So why? Because they have got little tinge of spiritual platform. So it is necessary now that people should take spiritual life. That will make them happy. There is no hope. All these people, they are in darkness. They do not know where they are going. They have no aim. But when you are spiritually situated, you know what you are doing, where you are going, what is your future, everything is clear.
So I just follow up on this very briefly. In other words, you feel that the Western-oriented church, whether it be the synagogue or the church or the has failed to present.
Yes,
you say that its message is not relevant, or that they have failed to present their message properly?
No. The thing is, these Western churches, just like Christianity, these Gospels were spoken long, long ago to the primitive man, you see, Jerusalem. These people were living in desert and they are not so much advanced. So at that time, of course, in Bible or in the Old Testament, the idea of God is there, that is all nice. But they just like the statement, God created this world. That is a fact. Now, those people were not advanced in those. Now, at the present moment, people are advanced scientifically. They want to know how the creation has taken place. You see? And that explanation is not there. Neither the church can give them. Therefore, they are not satisfied. Simply, officially going to the church and offering prayer, that does not appeal to them. Besides that, practically, they do not follow religious principles. Just like in the Old Testament, there is, 10 commandments, and there is a commandment that thou shalt not kill. But killing affair is very prominent in the Christian world. They are maintaining slaughterhouse very regularly. And they have manufactured a theory The animals have no soul, they do not feel, because they have to kill. Give the dog a bad name and hang it. Why? Animal cannot feel. Why you are committing this sinful activity? So the priestly class, they will not also say, they will not discuss, everyone is silent. That means deliberately, disobeying 10 commandments. So where is religious principle? If you don't obey the commandments of your scripture, does it mean that you are following religion nicely? How you can kill which you cannot create? And it is plainly stated that thou shalt not kill. What is the answer? Why they are killing? What is the answer? How do you answer it?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
Well, it's obviously thou shalt not kill is an ethic, and it's timeless, and it's valid. But man is not really interested.
That means they are not interested in religion. It is simply a smack so bottle. Then how they can be happy? If you do not follow the regulative principles, then where is your religion?
I'm not arguing with you.
Yes.
I couldn't agree with you more.
Yes.
I'm totally agreeing. It doesn't make any sense. Thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt worship no other gods before me. Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's ass. Thou shalt honor thy father and thy mother. Those are beautiful ethics, but they're not obeyed.
Thou shalt not kidnap your neighbor's wife.
Wife, covet.
So who is following this?
Nobody. Very few.
So how you can expect that religious? And without religion, a human society is animal society.
All right, well then, let me ask you this. Along this line, I'm not asking you...
Take it.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.